Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have yet another birthday entry for you today, and this is coming from our very own Miss Devi Love. You guys, I just packed it. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. She wrapped it in some donut paper. Super cute. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna have to rip it. Oh my goodness. Girl. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got it open. Let's see. Oh yes, there we go. Oh, look at that cute card. You guys, there's so much layers going on right there. Look at all those ghosties. And this shaker is so cute. Oh my goodness. It's got little skulls. Oh my goodness. And little bats. I love it. And then, oh, it's just a little card. You just flip it over. It says, happy birthday. Enjoy the goodies. XOXO Devi Love. So beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Let's get into this beautiful box. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Oh, you guys. This is so insane. Just the tiniest little detail. Here's another one. I'm just going to try and capture it. Look at these. Look at these. Oh my goodness, girly. What? Hold on. Let me get my birthday jar. Look at how full it is, you guys. This is just a Dollar Tree birthday jar, guys. This is not a big jar. I wasn't expecting it. But look at her washi. She gave me some Halloween washi. It's a cauldron. It's double D double toil and trouble. Oh my gosh. Or does it say double toil and trouble? Something like that. Totally witching. Some boots. She's got the little syringe. Oh, look at that sequin mix in there. Oh yeah. So much fun, you guys. Oh my goodness. I'm putting that right there because it's going to go to use. Get some good use. Look at this bat. Ooh, it's see-through. It's a see-through bat. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? It's transparent. Oh my goodness. That is going in my jar. Guys, okay. I'm taking this out of the box. Oh gosh. So much sequins. Oh my goodness. Oh, she shared some of the what is this called? The confetti with me. Thank you, girl. Oh my gosh. I told her, I messaged, well, I commented on her little haul, and she said she's going to share with me. Thank you. Thank you. And then there's the bats. She gave me some silver and black glitter bats. Oh my gosh. Holographic bats. This is the Walmart jumbo confetti. Oh my gosh. And she got, what is that? Oh, she gave me fabric. Is that fabric? So the bag says toxic treat. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to eat this. Oh my gosh. What is this? It is fabric. Oh my gosh, girly. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. You guys need to see this sequence. It's a vampire. She got some cool sequins. It's a little vampire. There you go. You can see it now. Oh my gosh. And there's hollow bats? What? Girl. Yes, I'll be picking these up like the little the little troll, like Poochie said. The little troll that looks for his coins. Oh my gosh, look at this fabric. Devi, thank you. This ghost is a vampire ghost balloon. A vampire ghost balloon. You see the little tail. She got a broom here, a bat. Look at the jack-o'-lanterns. And this is Boo, the spider webs. Oh my gosh, Devi, thank you. Oh my god. This bag is full. It's got sequins. No, it's all out on the table now, but look at these sequins, you guys. It's a spooky. We got tombstones. It says R.I.P. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. Vampire. Did I show you the bats? I'm keeping every single sequence in this thing. Oh my gosh. This gigantic jack-o'-lantern. Oh my gosh, look at this. You see that? It's orange. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's get to her goodies because her goodies are what we're here for. Beautiful bag topper. Look at her. Black doily. Wow. And then she is the queen of digitals and minis. So she miniaturized these ephemeras. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. There's the little poison bottle, the little witch hat. Then she's got this little ephemera and some thread, and it says Hocus Pocus. And the little cat with the broom. That's a piece of ephemera there, guys. That's so pretty. And then her doily on top of that has a layer of a spider web in orange and in black with silver. You see that? That's 2 layers, guys. Oh my gosh. And she's got some black thread going on behind here. She's got some glitter in here. Chunky glitter going on. And she's got a vellum, which I'm pretty sure she printed out. Her own vellum. Oh my gosh, guys. These ephemera, these embellishment pieces. She's got the coffee mug, coffee cup, and the ghost, and a jack-o'-lantern, and this one says, it's all about the candy, yes. And then she's got a little to-go coffee cup, and it's double layered, the cup, and then on top of the cup, the little handle, brown layer. It's another layer, and then this one says October, Creeping It Real. Another coffee cup in purple, and she's got double layered on this one with the little skeleton guy. Oh my gosh. And then it says, when witches go no. Oh my goodness, I can't read. When witches go riding and black cats are seen, 'tis near Halloween. Oh my gosh, she used the popsicle. So the little popsicle, I have this die cut right here, and she put spooky on the melting ice cream. Oh my god, I love it. And she wrapped it in gold thread. Oh my gosh. How am I supposed to use this, girl? So pretty. Oh my gosh. And then we have her Memorydex card. You guys, this is so beautiful. Let me get into it. Let me in, let me in. And she has sequins in here too. Oh my gosh. So crazy. Look at these spiders. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, look at this. She's got a little ghosty. She used enamel dots, the teeniest, tiniest dots for the eyes and the nose. And some little speckles around here. Look at her haunted house. I don't doubt that she printed these. Oh my gosh. Nope, these are the real ephemeras. But she does have some minis here. Little bats. And then there's more enamel dots. Nuvo drops. I keep saying enamel dots. Nuvo drops, guys. Nuvo drops. Correct myself. But look at, they're so cute. The tiniest candy right here. And then a spider, she's got it popped up on foam tape, guys. There's so many layers. So cute, spooky. Yes, there's some more sequins, some pumpkins. Oh my gosh, Devi. And then she has her info on the back. It's Devi Love on YouTube and Instagram. It's Devi_Love. On Facebook, she is Devi Love. And I will put all these on the in the description box, guys, for you to go check her out and follow. And she is amazing. Let's see. She loves Maggie Holmes, crepe paper, vintage Tim Holtz, mermaids, unicorns, florals, pastel colors, shabby, Halloween, Christmas, puffy stickers. Treat Sacks and Prima. Oh my goodness, girly. Oh my goodness, so amazing. And then this is what her back looks like. I'm just covering her other information. So cute. Debbie, thank you so much. Oh my God. Full of beautiful goodies. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Can't wait to get into it. But yes, guys, please go check out our girl. Show her the crafty love that we all know how. And you won't be disappointed. You will not be disappointed. Check her out, please. She will surprise you. Well, not really surprise you because she's amazing, but she is amazing. So thanks for watching, guys. Go check her out. Hit the like button, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.